quick and easy way to clean your kayaks. Here we go. Alright, you're going to see a guy on YouTube and he goes, you got to use elbow grease and some Clorox and some soap and a little bit of water. No, watch this. Alright, to save y'all some time, I'm just going to show you the before. We got this one. There's where we cleaned. We got this one. And I'll come back and show you the after. And all I'm using is a power washer. Yeah. Alright, I wanted to show you the end result before I turn the kayak. Check this out. All these little green barnacle things. Look where I cleaned it. We'll get the rest of this done nice and easy. Who needs elbow grease? Yeah, it's Papa, Texas. Check out my playlist and you got some how-tos and you got some outdoor cooking. Y'all take care.